Mukhibilo Tursunov is going to square off against Carlos Utria in WBC Boxing Grand Prix Super Lightweight Championship. Tursunov is a very, very technical boxer. He outsmarted Danilo Lozan, Mizel Cabrera, Ezekiel Dutra, Michael Adosun, and Carlos Utria can also participate in a technical war. 22 years of age, he outsmarted Alan Cranston, Spencer Wilcox, but he prefers knocking people out. He destroyed Lionel Guerrero, Natatelo Nkosi, Hernan Perez, Santiago Ochoa, but on the local circuit he is brutal. But this is global circuit, that's problem number one, it's not Colombia. Second, Mukhibila can keep the fight slow, he's got good Philly shelling, the fighter out of Andijan, Uzbekistan is extremely technical, and I think Utria is gonna gas out in the first few rounds. So I'm gonna say Tursunov to win, potentially via decision, but official prediction over 6.5.